How would it feel to walk into a room knowing your hair looks flawless? To run your fingers through your thick, voluminous locks that turn heads and make you feel super powerful? Hair is our biggest accessory. For so many of us, hair isn't just hair, it's confidence. It's the accessory that we wear every day. But when our hair starts thinning or breaking, or it just doesn't grow the way we want it to, it can feel like a part of our identity is slipping away. If you've ever struggled with hair thinning or shedding or breakage, if you've ever felt self-conscious because your hair's lack of volume, or you've spent months, or in my case years, waiting for growth that has never happened, let me introduce you to the most natural, confidence-boosting solution available. It's hair extensions. Here at Educe Salon, we can offer that for you. We specialize in premium extensions designed to look and feel like your own hair, because they are real human hair. Before you ask, no, hair extensions will not ruin your hair, or they should not ruin your hair when installed correctly by an expert and maintained properly at home. Extensions actually protect your natural hair, allowing it to grow stronger and healthier. The result? Fuller, longer, more voluminous hair that looks 100% real. At Educe Salon, we don't just install extensions, we create a customized experience so you leave with your hair that fits your lifestyle.